In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to upgrade your Palmpay account limit. So if you just created your account, I know for a fact that you'll be limited to some certain amount of money you can receive and send out either on a daily basis or on a monthly basis. But in this video, I'm just going to walk you through how to upgrade your account to receive unlimited amount of money and also send out unlimited amount of money on a daily basis, weekly and monthly. So all you just need to do, just open or log into your Palmpay account on your mobile device. Then down here you can see me at the bottom right, just click on that. Then here you're gonna see this page like this. So the next thing you're gonna do, look at the top left, you can see a profile, you can see your name beside it. Just click on that profile icon, and if you already uploaded your picture, you see your picture there right instead. Just click on that, then you see this page just like this. So scroll down to where you see KYC levels. So you can see I'm currently on tier 2, which is the second level on Palmpay. You can see the tier 1 is what they give to every new user that just opened an account on Palmpay. So with this tier 1, you have access to 50,000 naira daily transaction limit, and you can receive up to 300,000 naira in your account. And for the tier 2, you can do 200,000 naira daily limit, and you can have at least 500,000 naira maximum in your account. And for the tier 3, you can see you can do daily transaction of 5 million naira and receive unlimited amount of money. So for upgrading to tier 2, you will have to upload your NEPA bill, your ID, selfie and something like that. And for the tier 3, I try to do that, upgrade to tier 3. Then there are some things they actually ask me. So face authentication, I have done that before, so I don't know why it fails. So you can see right here, I've tried it. You can see tier 3 upgrade application failed, so I don't know why it failed. So decline, please provide a valid information and resubmit your application. The reasons for not passing the audit are as follow. Please enter your full address and ensure it's the same as the address shown on the proof of address. Okay, I got it now. So submission successful. I submitted last year. The review completion. So I'm gonna try to do that again. So I'm gonna resubmit again to upgrade my account. So but basically I'm not really using Palmpay, so I just I use it, not really like, not my daily app usage, you get. So that is how you can upgrade your account, and those are the requirements they will definitely ask you in order to have your Palmpay account upgraded.